Today I'm going to show you all the things that I got from Walmart and Sam's Club. If you're not familiar with Sam's Club, it's basically Costco, to feed my family for the next 2 weeks, and we are a family of 9. So I got strawberries and grapes. We're gonna do hot dogs one night and BLTs another night. I'm doing a bunch of baking this weekend for our general conference. I'm making cinnamon rolls, so I got butter. I got 2 of these Southwest chopped salad kits for a dinner that will go with this lasagna. I got the family size. For breakfast, I got these cinnamon French toasts from Sam's Club. They are so good. They come with 2 bags of them and they last us pretty long. And then I also got a pack of the Hungry Jack buttermilk waffles, and it's 60 waffles in there. We do a pizza night once a week, and our favorite pizzas are these ones from the Red Baron, the pepperoni pizzas and the cheese. I also got this orange chicken that we will pair with green beans and rice. It's super yummy from Sam's Club. We'll do chicken strips, like chicken wraps for dinner one night. So I got these crispy chicken strips from Sam's Club. My kids love yogurt, so I got 2 of these Activia yogurt packs of vanilla. I got some cucumbers in here, and then I really like these Daisy cottage cheese cups. I'm trying to get 100 grams of protein a day, and these have 14 grams, and they're super tasty. I like the peach and the strawberry ones the best. My kids also like them too. For snacks, I'm trying to pare down the snacks and encourage my kids to eat more whole foods, so I didn't get a ton of snacks this time, but I did get Goldfish for like when we're on the go. We're gonna do sandwiches one night, so I got these rolls from the bakery at Sam's Club. They're super yummy. We love Baby Magic lotion, and I need to restock all my kids' bathrooms. And then I just wanted to have a backstock, so I got 3 of these from Walmart, some toothpaste for my husband, and then I'm gonna try out these Premier Protein Pumpkin Spice Shakes. They have 30 grams of protein. I've never tried them before, but I love pumpkin spice, so I figured I'd give them a try as I'm trying to up my protein intake. I got some animal crackers for snacks, and then some macaroni and cheese. It takes us a couple months to go through a box like this, but it's just nice to have on hand if we end up having like cousins or friends over and I need to make a quick lunch for kids. Super easy. Like I said, I'm baking, so I got this bread flour, the King Arthur bread flour, to make cinnamon rolls. This is my favorite flour for making cinnamon rolls. And then we are gonna do BLT sliders. So I just use the King's Hawaiian rolls for that. I got a twin pack from Sam's Club. I also got, for hot dogs, 2 packs of buns from Sam's Club. And then these Thomas English muffins. I really like the whole grain ones. They're very yummy. I like them better than the non-whole grain ones. So we'll do egg and bacon and cheese sandwiches for dinner one night, and I'll use those. I got some bananas and some French bread to go with our lasagna meal. I'm gonna make homemade enchiladas, and I use these for that, and green enchilada sauce. I got this from Walmart out of paprika, so I got some more. I just got some tortillas for whatever, and this is also for baking cinnamon rolls. I got 2 big things of sour cream and the pre-picked rotisserie chicken, 2 packs of it for our enchiladas. I'll use both of those for enchiladas and one of these as well. I'm out of brown sugar, so I got 2 more bags of those. Some tomatoes for sandwiches for lunch, and I'm gonna make this raspberry fluff meal for family get together on Sunday. So I got some vanilla instant pudding mix for that. These are my drinks of choice. Sarah from Walmart. What am I missing? Over here, I got some apples. I got more toothpaste, so we have a back stock for my husband. This is the last snack thing I got, which are just granola bars, and then a pack of the green bean cans from Sam's Club, as well as a double pack of Honey Nut Cheerios from Sam's Club. My kids and I all love cucumbers, so I got these snacking cucumbers from Sam's Club, and then this and this, along with the Greek yogurt and that vanilla instant pudding, will be the ingredients for the fluff, the raspberry fluff that's so yummy. So that is what I got for our 2-week grocery shopping trip. I may, like, sometimes I take another trip and get produce and stock up on produce again. We still had some from earlier in the week, but I'll also share right here how much all of this costs. This is for 9 people for 2 weeks, and I try really hard not to go back to the store. I feel like that is the key. We do have a kiddo in diapers, and so I just order them and have them auto ship from Amazon. It's the cheapest option right now, and I do that with his wipes as well as his Aquaphor that he uses. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of a video. If you like grocery hauls and you like to see what people are buying for their large families, let me know in the comments, and I will continue to share more videos like this one. Thanks so much for being here.